everyone, this is going to be a tutorial about typing on a path. So that's going to allow you to have some pretty cool, I guess, extra types of, whether it be type going kind of, I don't know, in almost a circular pattern or a nice angle, or maybe you're trying to do something else with it. So it might be a little bit interesting. Typing on a path is as such. I'm going to go ahead and start with a line. So I'm going to use my line tool for this. When I have my line tool, I can go ahead and just create my line. I'm going to hold shift down so it's a nice straight line in this instance. And actually I'm going to make a couple of other lines so you can see the full effect of this. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down a vertical line as well. And I'm actually going to grab my pen tool because this actually works with the pen tool as well. And I'm going to make a kind of a curvy line. Alright, so you can see that there's three different types of lines here. I'll start with the most basic, which is the line that's straight across. I can click on my type tool. I'm going to hold, and then I'm going to click on type on a path. So notice that I have my cursor, but then it's a little wavy line next to it. I'm going to click down on the line that I want to type on. And then notice that I'm just going to keyboard mash. It's falling directly on that line. So that's actually pretty nice. I'm not using a text box, whoa-ho. I'm actually just typing on the line that I've created. Cool, neat. Let's try it again over here. So this is my curvy line. Let's see. I'm gonna click on that line. Just keyboard mashing. Ooh, that's pretty neat too. Notice that it follows the curvature of this line as well. Very great. Now for the final test here, I'm gonna click on this line and I'm gonna do the same thing, and it follows it all the way down. So that's really, really cool. If I want to, now this is extra credit, notice that maybe I can't read vertically like this. Maybe I need to change this. So let me I'm gonna select all. I'm gonna actually write a sentence this time. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you guys to see. All right. Hello, I like lines. Now, what I can do here is I can hold, or right click and click on type on a path, and I have options. So notice notice I have a lot of different things that I can choose from. So what I'm looking for, though, is the effect of stair step. Look at this. It changes the orientation of my text completely. I'm going to click OK. And now that this is all kind of jumbled mess, let me go ahead and actually see if I can change the tracking of this so it's a little bit easier to read. Play around with that. Ooh, okay. And then it looks like everything's a little bit of jumble. So what I'm going to do is right click on it, select all, right click on this, get back to my type on a path options. And let's see what these alignment stuff will do. Alignment center. Is that correct? I think that looks a bit better. And then this is just changing it based off of the actual type. I think I'm going to go ahead and just do center. That looks nice. I'll go ahead and click OK. And let me deselect here. So now I have hello, I like lines. And I actually would have to change the kerning and tracking in between these letters. So for instance, this is way too far. I might want to go in a little bit more. yeah, like this is going to be a slow trek to get this correct, but at least you know what I'm talking about here. And you can see here also that there's this really, lines are everywhere. I can't handle all these lines. So what I'm going to do is use my selection tool, click on my line, and then actually change the color of my line to none. If I do that with everyone, then it'll look like magic instead of look like I kind of made my own, I don't know, like grappling hook of line here. But yeah, that is looking pretty good. Ooh, that exclamation point is looking pretty wonky. But that is what you can do. You can use the line tool, the pen tool, and create a type on a path. So that's a nice, cool start. Now, of course, if you find that the type on the path, especially with this kind of vertical drop type of text, is not working well for you, what you can, of course, do is the old-fashioned way, which is make individual text boxes. You can definitely do that with all of your letters if you want, but that doesn't need a tutorial. But this one did. So have a great day, and I'll see you later.